Yo, what's up guys? So you found this video because you're trying to find a StockX discount code. They're quite rare, but they are available. Now, these discount codes will save you tons of money, and I've probably found the best discount code that's available for 2023. This discount code for StockX will save you $100 off anything site-wide on StockX. So that means you can add any item to your basket, and this discount code I'm gonna show you will remove $100, so you can pretty much pick up anything you want that's over that value. And I say dollars, but it will be converted into your local currency. So wherever you're based, whatever currency you use, it's going to be 100 US dollars, the equivalent in your currency. So let me show you guys where you can go ahead and get a $100 discount code for StockX. So step one, you need to go ahead and grab your mobile phone and open up the internet, guys. And you need to go to the following. Gotta type it exactly like that. And it's giftcardhero.net. So search that in your internet exactly like that, and it should bring us directly to the site. Now we need to look for the StockX discount code page. So we press this button here, go to search. I'm gonna type StockX, scroll, and there it is, StockX promo codes 2023. So this is by far the best code that's available that I've found. Scroll down, you can see it's been used so many times, and it's by verified users. Basically that means people have taken this code over 1,000 times and said, yes, this worked for me. So now we scroll down, and you can see it says here, these codes are limited, by the way, guys, but as long as you see the page on this website, on Gift Card Hero, that means the codes are available. So you can see $100 off your order for new and existing customers. So you probably know, but many codes are only for new customers. But this is for both. So if you've shopped at StockX before, it doesn't matter. You can still go ahead and use this code. So we gotta press this green reveal promo code button. And this page is going to come up. Basically, guys, Gift Card Hero has partnered with these apps and surveys to be able to provide us these codes for free. So we just need to follow the instructions on this page. So basically, you can see here, download, open 2 free apps or complete a free survey. And you can see here's a list of offers. Depending what country you're in, you're going to get different offers. And below each one, there's a description of what you need to do. So basically, guys, choose a couple of these free offers that you think, hey, they look easy to complete. And then go ahead and complete them. So I'm going to do that now. I think this one is a survey. So you're just going to answer a few questions. And it's going to ask me for my email address. Now this is to verify we're a real person, guys, so make sure you put in the correct information. And yeah, I'm gonna do this, do another one, and I'll return. So I finished 2 of these. I did these, the Roblox and the McDonald's one, so I just had to do 2 of these. So now when we go back to this page, it's released the StockX promo code. So there we go. So this is a unique one-time use code. That means once it's used once, it's invalid. So someone can use this, but it's gonna be pretty quickly used. So you need to go ahead, follow the instructions in this video, get your own, and enjoy the $100 voucher code for StockX, guys. Now, when you get the code, you basically add the item you want to your basket, and there's a discount code section within the checkout process in which you can redeem your code, and it's going to remove the $100 off. So it's as easy as that, guys. follow the instructions in this video, go to Gift Card Hero, and enjoy your discount code, guys. Peace.